guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm really excited to share this plant hanger with you. To make this project, you need to prepare about 24 meters of 4mm cotton rope. Some of the knots that I used in this video include bootlace knot, square knot, alternating half hitch, and wrap knot. The length of this hanging planter is about 21 inches. Please kindly note the length I listed is measured without any pots. The plant hanger will be shortened when you put pots in. Let's get started. First, you take 2 ropes 2 meters long, fold them in half, and put on a hook. Then you take 2 ropes 4 meters long, fold them in half, and put on either side of the 2 ropes just now. Next, you tie a half of square knot. Then you start tying the bootlace knots. You continue to tie the knots like this until you reach a piece of about 8.5 inches. Repeat the same process with the other side. Next, you tie 2 square knots to make a small bow. Do the same with this side. Repeat the same process to create one more similar strap. Next, you connect the ropes below together so it can hold the pots. Here I will use the alternating knots to connect them together. The distance from the below to the first alternating knot is about 6 to 7 centimeters. Do the same until you have a first row. Similarly, still using the alternating knots, you will tie the second and third rows. The last step to complete this plant hanger is that you use the wrap knot to fix the bottom. You can use one of them to make a loop and one to wrap around the loop. Or if you want to make it easier, you cut a rope about 0.8 meters long. Use one end to make a loop and the other end to wrap around that loop. Once wrapped, you pass one end of it into the loop and pull the other end to pull it through. This is our finished plant hanger. It can hold many different pots from 10 to 15 centimeters in diameter. This macrame is a modern, simple look. Fit right in with any home decor style and super easy to make even if you're beginners. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe button to update my new videos. See you next week.